Hmm. Hello, my people. How you all doing? Hmm? How you all doing? This I don't make mistake again. This I don't make mistake. Oh, if you wo me o, wadogun me mu igbin napa o. Iye o, iye o. Yaka wa la video. Ina ya le profile me o. Iye o. My amazing people, how would I say? How is the go going? How is the doings? I pray may this for let me do this video. I will be so glad and happy. If this phone permits me to do this video peacefully, I go happy wella, because I'm using my small phone. I know say na summer with this, so my big phone they hot. Most of my phones they hot. All my phone they hot. So this small one, I know they two use them. I decided to use and do this video. I just pray make the hot way the hot may not go disturb am or affect am. I decided to use my small phone, guys. The sun too much. I no fit go spoil big phone because of say I want to do live video. Na mo ye ne twin or do. So I pray may let me do this video. Una never ye uwa my people. Life is now we no malagbo fo la nu ge gyarwa o. No malagbo fo nu ge gyarwa o. No malagbo fo la nu ge gyarwa o. No my fancy o la nu ge gyarwa o. If social media karma is real, very important. Umaye gbese o isalonya we woto we no salonya mesuna. My amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching this video from. Thanks for joining, Mama Linda. Thanks for joining. My people, nothing where I never see for this media from all this liquidated one-side, roadside, married, semi-married women. Nothing where I never see for their hand. Even them Obiagili we never marry. Obiagili, una know they call Obiagili. Now many of you watch that drama for Nigeria that time. Obiagili people wey be say they don't cross 40, they never still marry. Nothing wey me know they see for their hands. And not be only me that they do all those things. So now so they still they do other people like me wey be say we talk say rushing into marriage is a taboo. Rushing into marriage na sin in the sight of God and in the sight of man. My messy people, when I did this Facebook, you see this girl so whether they call Cynthia. I believe say many of you don't know one. Now ex-daughter to investor. Yeah, by the time this girl start to the where she called they carry the play, they come up from Godfather, they look for something under the trouser. They had to throw her out from that family. Because this girl was in, he can't come up from mama, he can't come up for papa, can't entire care. Really, then say Cynthia a single mom now. Yes, so breaking news. Breaking news, my people. Cynthia CY Cynthia, anyhow you take her. She's not a confirmed single woman. Not just a single woman. A single mother of 6 children based in Germany. She's now running from one hookup platform to another to get a serious relationship after 6 children. Yes, hello. Hey, whoa. I no feel laugh. After 6 children, CY is now looking for serious relationship. She's not looking for a man that will take her serious. She's not looking for a man that will take her to go and see what she never see before. See why? What's the name? My sister? I know consaga you na advice I want to give you. You don't get 6 children. Waiting you still they look for. Okay. You want born 10 children. Abi? Your target na to born 10 children. Thanks for joining Mama Rita, the best analyzer. Please, guys, thumbs up this video. More than me love and like and share so that this video will still go out. See why market. Me where be single. Where you because of say I be single. I dey follow somebody they play. You can't saga me. Ugweni ya mare. Ugwene wada. Ugweni ya mare ni ya galodo. You not be my mate. Unaga ziering giyoma. Onaga ziering giyoma. Onaga ziering giyoma. Oma wanya do fie kebe nyame. Ina obioha. Ina obioha tuwa ino ma ebe na miya o. We are gele miemi neve life. One way agioma. In any situation, any condition, we not gele miemi neve life. Oh, hagwe down with gioma. Even if I couldn't win in the to boy nya yoto. Who by the way ya flash back away. I gioma wagbona. Who the I can win to boy go. But somebody say probably she's not going to have children anymore, but just need a partner because she's still young. Sweet Joseph, my darling. Who tell you say she not go born again? Shebi na you talk and I say she's still young. So the test of man where she define, you know here a test of man. She says she needs single father of 1 or 2. Which man want born 1 or 2 children because he don't born 6? And by the way, who won't take care of 6 children? Say good morning, Queen. I beg, which see why be this? Dollar wahala. Don't be frank with this. I be my people. Don't be frank, get this account. I been at the fake account. Anyway, now see why for Germany. See why no re Germany. Mother of 6 children. She born 1 for Nigeria. She born 5 for Germany. AKA Igbo man wife. Cynthia way they laugh me say, Queen girl and marry. You never reach to marry. Queen girl and marry. You know they shame me. You there for 1 room dear. You never marry. Ew, our market. It's a really boy. She's supposed to take care of her children first now. Imagine, my lady, sweet Joseph. Imagine. Amuemeka. Oh, na the goddaughter of Enoge. Yes, the ex. Enoge she be ex. Amuemeka muwe. Or dandeli all the hookup program. Ekwebera o salobwa. Ijemi. Ede ave mi o na gwalala o. Me when una dey laugh say single. Say me never marry. Una never see me for any hookup program. Even when Quirita they do hookup self. I never even go there, go knock door, say, mama, find 1 guy for me. Una never see me for any hookup program because you know why? My character, forget say I did social media, the craze. If you you know me for ground, you know say my character. If I put a date man, you know if he agree me, I go for once. The Igbo looking at the hookup shop. Presently safe. Here the line up, I see the way do. Let me consider. I should not consider, or should I consider? Or should not? Option. Now, see my for her. Small bicycle. A bicycle is a terrible bicycle. See my banana. Afi Abino. She can't even select say, this boy, the Abino is as they shade down for the show glass of bewa. She no can see person we can. She be one guy for UK. We just still call in. In na we no ipa gbewe ke ni na mo gbe ani odo. In na we no ipa gbe no kian ye ke no ni se ke ki are le gani de to ba. E wa ni se agwa odo my people. A life in my balance. A life in my balance. See where o wa ngba wo vi gbori bo. Why ya ni re Anambra State. E palo no wa nuga je wo ti gbo. He say your network is okay, my network is breaking. Now this phone no make no jaye gbe, make this phone correct itself, there is the house where see why follow Igbo man build now. I want waka. Hey, opueke. See why? Oh, wanu waro Igbo bo. That house where Igbo use you build with children money for how many years? When you go Nigeria, go they take they do degen, they go they post. They go they now me you even they show that day. You say Queenie, I not be your mate. See my parlor. See the parlor where we they stay. You see now my picture they walk. Yo salo buami. Oh Igbo just I say no, say you no get character. Yes. Any woman will not get character, it be like motorway tire boss. Any woman will not get character for this life. It be like motorway tire boss. Guys, is my network stable now? Please let me know. The network is stable. Go and marry. Now marriage be the thing. You think say na everybody wey marry na they happy, na they smile, na get joy. Many married women are praying to become single. Many married women are praying to become single. While some singles still they pray to be married. Some are not desperate like me. I know they desperate. It does say I did desperate. Since I did this social media, maybe I for those do roadside bangolo tikoti marriage by forced marriage. Waiting presenter. Okay, yes, it's stable now. Okay, thank you, mommy. Waiting, I can't go do marriage based on waiting presenter. I go talk so that I go no say wait that I can bring my money to go and do marriage. I feel fine, man. I'll just go put money for head. I can do it, but I stand my ground. My confidence in boy. You see my confidence, boy, until I see the right man. We go still kneel down. Say, baby, will you marry me? Me now will come look and say, okay, yes. Before I will go and do marriage. And I will marry. And I will know, say, this marriage when I dey go so, a holiday, full married life, because I know what it takes to be a successful married woman. I know what it takes. Una they get me so. Few years ago, this Sintekia so. She don't let me rest. I don't know her before from anywhere. The next thing, she started trending with my name. Nobody where she never said that for this Facebook. I can't do when you talk better. She started trending with my name. Queen, you're not ashamed. Go marry. Go marry. People like this, now they pressure people to go they do what they don't want to do, to go they fall into victim, to go they enter marriage where be say they go regret all the rest of their life. Me, you not feel pressure me. You not feel. That's why you see some people, if they just say, they say, you know manage to get boyfriend, go and get a boyfriend. The next thing they'll start to go bring boys. They'll go any boy you told them, they'll just drag her, come put her for live video. Some go they show their hand, some go they show their leg. Only me. Even though me knock, no. I'll use and clean my mouth. It says I just okay. Let me bring it out. If now me go feel like. No be bad because of what people they talk. Because if you let what people they talk for this social media affect your private life, hey, we are zero race. As you they solve this one, they'll say now let this one you feel solve, can't solve the other one. As you they solve that one, they'll another one you feel solve, so mass need are insatiable, be satiable. As that my sister started to speak that English. You know if you satisfy human being. So that is why you go my way competition. Cynthia, me and you now, there is a big difference. You see, me, I be single girl. You be single mother of 6 children. 6. Now you say you dey look for serious relationship. After 6 children with different fathers. After 6 children with different fathers. I tell you say, you see that your nyash where you they come they shake for social media so. Where you they form say you get nyash. Okay, as you find rich now, Alpha, why you can't still be single mother? If to say na beauty they marry. If to say na big nyash they marry. If to say na by sabi knack, na they marry. If to say na even sabi cook, na they why you with in short, you know sabi cook, you know get character, you know your hand not they make money, you be obey where you depend on government benefits. Why you can't be single mother with your big nyash? If they say open mouth, give that speech, you no go fit. But when they will say, "Con shake nyash," but what do you have in your brain? Nothing. What do you have to offer to the public? Nothing. How are you going to contribute to your husband's life? Nothing. How are you building your family? Nothing. If they ask you, what do you bring to the table? Now your nyash, nothing more. Now your nyash, nothing more. If a man that you gave birth to is 5 children can still change, only God know whether that man not the prison by now. Because I know, say, for that, he say she fin reach you. He say she fin reach you, you fin pass her. Your nyash be pass her. No, my lady, no say me go my competition. Me je ya niyan. Me yo dash everything. Me rock ba. Me no get one single thing. Money say me hip, even rock ba, even when self. Me vie ya niyan. But with their frustration, with the way they abandon them, use them and dump. Use and dump them with their qualification. It shows that no be only body be waiting man need. There are more to it. Waiting go make man abandon woman with 5 children. You go know say that man don't fed the BSCs. Yes, all the time she born all these children, that man don't the BS because of 2 things. One, because of JAMA benefits. Yes, because of JAMA benefits. Germany they give her money. 2, the man just want make the children grow small. Make them feel know their papa. In case they ever see him for road, make them know say, now their papa be this. Before the man finally leave her. Now Igbo man you want to play? Igbo me. Igbo me. If Igbo me use you play card, if they use you play tete, they're ready to drink garri with you every day. But if they want fuck you up, or if your boy are see why my fellow single woman 2 years ago, you they use ring the shakara for me. You dey shook ring for my eye, yo. You won't blind my eye with your ring, your marriage ring. Amamiri no matter. If he is, he may go marry you. That is why I dey look all this obiagili. Where they social media, all these women where don't cross 40 years, where still be single, where still be single mom, single mother. So no even boom. They'll call the time and say, Queen, go and marry. Because people like say, oh, I cannot take this call. Oh. Please, nobody should call this number. Now, this small phone I take you online. Okay, guys, if you have anything to say, I will call you once I round up the video. Please, okay? I will call you once I round up the video, please. My people, now they get me. This caller not go let me go. Don't call, oh, boy. Are you getting me? If you call again, I will block you. That's what I will do to you. If you call again, I will block you. My people, 2 years ago, this girl, they laugh me. She they mock me. Nothing where she not tell me. Oh. Queenie, you not go born your own pikin. You not go marry. You not go, me wait, take my time. They study life. They learn how to live among humans. They learn how to live a better life. They learn how not to be a liability to any man when I choose to marry. Una confess say I not get sense. Meanwhile, no, they carry different men they show for social media. Some of una can't even say men, no, they toast me. If I open my inbox for you, you go hey. But I not be una supposed to know say I not be loose. That one and one. I not be loose. Then two, I believe say anything when I want, I can get it for myself. I don't need to friend ma. Make all they buy me, she gonna buy me sweet. No. Anything I want, I can get it for myself. When I'm ready to say, yes, I want to go into marriage or settle down, you self, you will know. You go know. But now, I'm not ready. But these people keep pushing me. Queenie, shame on you. No man they toast you. No man like you. No man. I just they look, they say, see all this one. Before one boy toast you, 10 don't toast me. Yes. Before one boy toast you, 10 don't toast me. But I they say no. I know what. Una confess I dey impotent. Una confess I dey potent. My body not dey work, nothing. No man they toast me, nothing. I dey look una dey laugh, say, I go sit down here, close my leg, me go use una zolot it. Iye you wa zolakon, use a dompu wa zanzuwa, we zanzeya. Iye de bedo filu wa kwa yoto wa, iya bewa, iya huwa. Ikwe bedo agbo so enwa. Because many of you think, say, na by get man, now be say you don't arrive. Many of you, the relationship una they go now for Pepe then. Una want call Pepe queen. Una want call Pepe me and me na. Me ma bege trailer. Aba wa wu eni ku ogbo wa mule le nene relationship awu eni wia u eni ne sickness. U eni mi an evun wa mukian. But that no even move me talk less of una relationship. At the end now, when I barrier again high. Cynthia Hafa, you are welcome to the singlehood. You are welcome to the singlehood. I've been a wood. You are welcome. See your life. To know how shameless and useless you are. You don't even respect the children. My lady said this year girl should be ashamed of herself. Very, very. She don't even respect the children. Where she gets, many of those children don't grow. She don't even reason and say how these children go feel when they'll see their mama they hunt for man on social media. She don't even reason. Imagine me can go stay platform, they find hook up. Me, my brothers, all my sisters go come see me say, me there for show glass like this, and they find man they go. They will be like, oh, give me, wakweti no there, what me? You understand? But this girl, she don't care about her family. She don't care about her background. She don't care about even the man where you born for, man where you deal with for years. Let's say maybe 10 years. Now you and that man take the way you born 5 children for, or 8 years or 7 years. Definitely you don't know that man friends well. You don't know that man friends well. Una no dey again fine. Some relationship dey funa quarrel, una fit later settle. Some relationship dey funa quarrel, if it take 1 year, if it take 2 years, if it take 3 years, una go later settle. Now, how you say make that man friends stay dey look you as they go come see you for platform where 1,000 plus people dey, men and women, their friend wife. Boys when they use you yeah for this when they talk say hey Messi bungbe oh mommy or Messi bungbe sis or we wa be oh Messi we not tell ya be or Messi we tell ye niki na ye mula dia we hook up ya isha o de bia o ma de bia e we sis o no wa be o Messi o we na be o Messi o ma ya gwale mani hi o mani ave di o mani se ti hi ase Ugwa bonisan ugwa gba ipapasi lo ara mi atola to wa ya gba ore mon we wa fe so ni ehwe na ye gwe mu wivon you na jo be gan etun uno do mu dia ye hook up grand where ugwa lodo see why I'm so ashamed of you a disgrace no say where era gbon ke mi de ehwe we mu me igbo ma do pana she dey find man up and down the worst part she say she dey find Bini man ona si ene Frankie na gbiyan Ona sie ne Frankie na gbiyan. See why? Uwe wetat umalele binima. Ubiokpa umalele binima. Ubieva umalele binima. Una bieha umalele binima. See why? Wegi eti yuwe biesisi ne. Una amugu. Uwe abiome sisi. Uwe yagwale binima de. Edo Block TV. Uwe kuya bedri kota. I go drink water my sister. Because these people, in my conscience, men love Edo Block. Again, especially, any conscience, who no ya biome sisi ne, oh gosh, a platform ni wa ave no de. Oriomena we ni ye catapult sack but we wa. Ekwena okwena wa go to. Ekwena wa mo megena. After 6 children, who no do we do not serious. No me be mo no bungbe. No wa be biomeva. We ni do we are not biomeva. But when we misses, aha muwe, aba muwe we maybe because we rewebo. There are times 10 years from now, government will not be paying you shishi. Wohinga pay the way. Wohinga kokinya. Wohinga delo waninga. Wohinga we mi yaninya si we wakes when wak buwe na o messes. Ereva. Hey, opwe. Si waka weva. Ha. Or messes. Ugaya at this stand on messes ye webona. Ne kwe buena mwenge ujeru we bue hook up okeke nu we ajena bi nu wa bue jama authority wa kamiya ewi nu mie wa gbon ya nu ya love ye yin aru nu aso wa go frustration de e depression no de na na moku ona moku ma ke nu avio mesisi la igo bi go less why di yan wa place where ye special benefit here wa place where ye special benefit because a problem in Oruwo he agada godo a problem in Oruwo umye no gwegba ogameha abai we sis e have e edema o na we ka mo meha or eva or okpa is understanding o wonu we yes of dey hard working then kwa me si wa no bogbe or lori owu emi no wa set because yan ma se kosaze e no ju na tie me be ni owu yan ma se kosaze Ewi no wa seti u ebe di owaje onisa eni ogwa fiege we no wa except ugwa de show glass the benjo abi de keni awe show glass ni je ni yana ya jovie panty de kere wa ri ba u ya ko sun life ba u ya ku u gede kwa hian ni an ya nu fun akokiwo e ba ni o keke na mi ugbe Do we show glass in when na eme na on we amu we show glass o we ko jovie pint of pa o money sanda that side o ya ke we gini ba o. Maybe I understand the okay 2 years old because we go less or maybe 5 in when I so you have to build those children future. Ama many atai ama we say na so boma yasi. We show glass we think even we are because who load you on who me boy we mi ropa. Waiting winner. My lady Melissa said, "I see children." She get yes, she get 1 for Nigeria, she get 5 for Germany. Ime kwebi aso yo wege 2 years ago we emo bungbe. Wa kun eri na ye ga come yo mabo. But for your own good. For your own good. Arwe odoame with o mesis o ye loho. Aba igbo ku okpa kekan. O ku okpa kekan. O mesis. Ejama mi eviowo. Ejama ni yan wa na we singo we wa yen gbopo. Yan so ari rejection you egbeban. Emesisi ni go no kwa wa no wo bejo Jama government. Rejection yan kan so aba you egbeban. Ni yan ko do ya do emovio. You see your life. Oh iladian I go egbon. We are want anything no wa kanjem no wa saladian. The majority of the enemy una where they talk about uta head, all those their money, maybe ni anti, even ni yate wa manage uta head, people where they talk say na 2 times they pay much now loud na they talk. Me I don't get this Germany for 50 years. That uta head so uta head na 2 times they pay. But before they'll give you 2 times, you must get document. Like me, I get document. You must get document or you can back away. The other one where they call Apollo. That Apollo now for people where born more children like me, I get 5 children, so that they pay me that Apollo on your wine over Sabi. She don't know when to speak. She don't know says there are some things you just shut up your mouth. See where I look best you. See where I too know lead you to. After 6 children, they look for single, serious edoma. Saloboa. Ikpe edo wa miemi ne wagbon. Ikpe edo. Abemona forgive us on women. I'm begging on behalf of my fellow gender. Walao. Nana I know what you na they read. Nana I know what you na they talk. Why agree? See why the time where your breast is stand, your nyash see big. Umale lo biedo. Iguma kwe no biedo si kowe. Una we classy ya. Una we na igbo man na be the mate. When we mi avenu ya tian we gbabo ni do pa be video ni sitia. We matu we my mati ma we Facebook na. We weti makaso boy egbe buluku we Facebook na because ogo mo je uga gwale be nya. Uga gwale be nya. Ena we nulare na wulo ge. O me va view ge ni adana nya. E ma dogwa na ya hen sangi my va yeru o wa yeru we eri we ni gwana. Sitia wa jo we dia avasi we ade nu ebe ge ni. Upe we tangbe. Etafia webu. He said, "Na government property she be. Why she not go define Ekia? Why she not go define Ekia up and down? And if she not take time, there is no way Jama authorities go leave only she with 6 children, 5 children. Or not possible. Iya must to me so. If possible, they'll collect all. Ya vera no leyo leri. One ya leyo leri ba. One ya leyo leri ba. Because of waiting children. Okay, now to know a responsible woman, man leave you. You not go call the man family. There are some, may I tell you, City, I want to where you don't know. There are some relationship where man go leave you. You go meet the man family. You go they beg them. May they talk to their son. May it take you back. Now be this your case so. Cynthia, if you don't know, there are some women where we say if man even say they go in shakara, you know, say maybe he still get 1 or 2 children or 3 children, but you see you get 6. What we are with your message. You don't know how much they build this room for Nigeria. Say you won't even build 2 flats. Now I have the message when you 3 bedroom for back, 3 bedroom for front. Uman go na ya boy. Abewe eke ogwana na koko mesis. Ai wa mwize yo wa va eva. Awa lo bokpa. Ede na arize. Ede na wa besemo. E fu bag osemo wa tuwe ye poti. Ede na arisemo. E mesi sakana. Origbo oko ya mini. Ugu ni de a serious edo ma. Wana mie. Vokede. Onisun weni wa disivu wena. Onisun weni wino maru origbo akpa. Ikpe ani bungwa lokwo we. Owa mi owa we bieme o. Yonu bieme. Oh we bief your money. Iwu bief your money Cynthia. Ikpe we boni like mo senyove. Vinya ya we. Thanks for joining Mama Gloria. Thanks for joining my lady. Ikpe we boni like ohoni ya me for we Nigeria tinya ye gwa lo mama. See why? Demi no kpe we bo ya we una synthetic. Hey, Gabino ni amu sobo. My lady say wetin dey you? My lady, breaking news. See why the ex-goddaughter of investor. TikTok yo ina gba le hook up. Or when you need the serious edoma. No me omokpa or meva. Or what they hard working. Almost wa winner. No make another gwepo komesis. Or wa winner. Ogbepa luma. Or wa ji winner. No ya vigore ne Cynthia we ye ya kokegbe. Cynthia o we need the hook up. Iya amu eno pelu de. We ma bego bi ani amu na ni amu ena. Abi no enya. Enya amu ena. Ne te etu hu e te gban we ya baruru. Ona isobo. Ona wi ya wa. Ona na bi ata me wi ye ti mu okono mo mesis. Ona na ikaka mesiti awe nyeri eti mu okono mo mesis. Owo mesis bungbe. Ishiya ima oni sunu ye ni kose mataka mume adema. Ishiya na iga ifose ewe wamu. Ona ikaka me the boy. Omo mesis problem. Georgia way I think say na joke she dey. If to say no be say this Georgia I for swear for you this morning. I for swear for you. We joke dey. Person wey go dey shake yansh. Person wey they go dey tell say pagbenu si keyeke. Fiego nisan. You know how many people they give a phone number yesterday for the air? You not watch the video. When they say it is na joke dey. Na everything person will take joke. Don't say that again no. It's not because I see your comment for some play. I for swear for you. I know they take that kind of talk. Like saying a joke I did we say waiting. So all those boys we call the carry kia they shake for yesterday. Then married woman, you go sit down for where they shake a kia for you. People where did that platform, they are all single and sashi. Go see me like this one now. This Abino now. He stand up. He shake a kia ya uzubuzubu wedika. Na force emune city away no mu. Oni na biata we o mama o mesis a obungbe. Who for fit carry 6 children? Who go fit train 6 children where they no born? Say maybe at the chat she thinks say na social media matter. She can run, but she can't hide from government. A government will go along here. And this Cynthia, with the way me tell know this Cynthia, please make them go find her husband. Because we never see the man for some time now. He say, they see deportation for. Say, who be that? My lady, that name. The way you take write down. Please write it well. Deportation for who? Una they get me. My people, make una ask, see why. Say, where our husband do? Because looking at Gemini na vie iye what you da fian fie gian de yes one gwale okbia no do awi yan gino wa. You no go even know say their husband dey prison. A government award nya we na sebeteli. I be home radio. Do you arrest the man, do go put her for prison. why you lie, yo. As you don't go now like this, no Benima day. Any Benima way try and say he won't marry you. He go collect. You don't know what you do people husband. You don't know what you do people husband. You know, try yourself. Go down one because 100 years is not forever. 100 years is not for all the cause where Cynthia pour on Queen Rita. She go suffer put very soon. Now Cynthia and Igboma matter we go dey analyze. Una they get me. Nobody wey she know the cause for this Facebook. Everyone by Facebook now. That is why I thought say she not get one single respect. Respect she say because say she dey cause everybody. One way job go talk you good. Now you know say that person see why the Godfather has where she they go. That one and one. Okay, for Vera body. When you are deported, na Vera they deport, so na person they cry. Well, any taking the street. Where many are behaving now, women. So after how many children she still need husband? Joe, and now you they talk with you and 1 year. God will bless you for that one. Asha will not get shape. Asha will not get shape. Now be this CY also. Asha will not get shape. For she now to go beg the husband family to say, my husband people, I don't know what happen. Oh, we get small argument. Oh, he don't come for us. So since how many days I they call her, I know they pick. I bet mona me reach out to her, mona beg her. She just foolishly, shamelessly come outside, constant for hook up ring lights. They find man. The worst part where pay me after 6 children say they find a doma. Where serious for a doma for serious relationship. Bini man, the man must be Bini. You even get taste. When we quote body, you even get taste. They don't tell now for this life, say, no, they laugh somebody. You go there TikTok. They go put you for TikTok. You go they kaput yourself there. You go they kaput yourself there. They even they shake. If I see what she wear come outside. There was a day I saw a video where they post. She was wearing, she was in the club. She wear short knicker. That short knicker, the way they take Tiana, so they anyash the show. I was like, this girl stay the husband house. That day she not wearing. I know that this one. Though I felt no say that husband house where she did cheat for the house. She be adulterous woman. So as I see her, it was no new to me. I look and say, oh no, I shower na this one I shower before now. I just pass. Not knowing that the man have left her. Now she's now looking single and searching for serious relationship. See, why have you been ever serious in your life? Where your boo when not go there. Now all the property where you use, both the one where you do, where you get before, when they make a shower before you marry your husband. Where be say, una pack everything, go to build house for Igbo land. Now, where are you falling back to? Cynthia second hand. Cynthia, the single mother of 6 children. Now Sashi for a single responsible Edoma. Amugwe vajawu. Ashawo their eyes. She don't even they do one. You see why? Ogba shawo ne my people. She no feel whole break. See why? No feel whole break. She no feel whole break. They to it olo imae. They to o ezagwaro imae. Awala o from A to Z. Imagine when awala o see why not my people. Now awala loma o again now is a big sample of an awala o. So people no get shame. You don't even respect the past relationship where you for they come out say okay. At least it may be a yone. Because some women, they leave my, if they want even do the man, but they'll be like, oh, it may be a yone. Man, just, man, see, they cover the man. Shit, even if say you divorce, say you need man, must you come online? Must you come online? Generally, when you did, boys no they the club where you go, that day nobody toast you. Oh, they do you daybreak, one night stand. At the end, who hey man, because who they dump you. Then you can't feel say, nah, this thing. No, yeah, what she talk. You get one man where the first give her the man the UK. He said, nah, that one way the UK. Now she your like. She said, nah, the one way the UK, we go feed the save for the bottle of money every month. So that one way the UK, once they pay her, our vigonio to vumune, you see why? Person where Igbo man reject, that means she's beyond repair. Igbo men we sabi beer. Tasin. Hey. Una they get me. She and Vera they try for as they do competition. In run a race. People they talk say, see why now small pikin. She just get small body. And she quit spoil. Or take a cane see why he back here again. Or man also want be at the age of 12 years. At the age of 12 years, see why someone be at the age of 12. Imagine somebody will start to be born at the age of 12, my people. By now, what is she supposed to do? By now, what is she supposed to be doing? Somebody say, now yeah, girl, what is she do? Make me no like her again. Okay, quick, stop. If she not come online, how will one take no? Don't blog. Or go when me blog. Don't say blogger. I better not feel laugh. Why will they make a game you? Oh, what la very on it. That is it. Me. I don't know how people say they live life. Even if say maybe you, even they look at those people where anybody you see, where they come out online, they find hook up, where they don't need them private. You know say their character no good. You know say their character is no good. Before you be like as I did so now, I'll come talk say okay now I'm ready to settle down. I want marry. I'll come go sit down for one show glass. Then I go come they need man where they UK. I'll come they need man where they Germany. I'll come they need man where they Sokoto. What about if I marry man from for Italy when I did, then we gotta go UK. Or I marry for here, we gotta go Germany. That one not good. Why must my eye day beyond? Where I know say that relationship now 50-50 to not lead us to anywhere. Why my eye go even day we a person? When me day Italy, I'll go the farmer for Kafashan. If not be greed or polo eye and ashabolism, because once that one where the UK don't go work, when already and where the way level. The work where that one where the UK go now. Not go in, don't we go here if I will you pop back go away. Girlfriend the married Italy, Yari by or girlfriend the married Germany, Yari by when I go here, a day baby if you more your school where you will level. A sign of ashabolism. A no responsible woman will come out. My lady say, so she not they happy for marriage. She go come out the chat kokobiri every day. Tama. I eat kokobiri don't put pepper for her eye. Or we might need divi kokobiri. He go via do kokobiri ni. Or we need over do kokobiri. No what serious. Na my dear mirror pave when we nyangane. When you hey nyangane, respect yourself or see why. Respect a boy. Mabe mesaga wesi maitie bonwe. Because who women to owa a quick boy. There are things before you do it. You do not even they take advice. It will say you they take advice. People when they follow, they advise you. Say Queen, you can find love anywhere. My sister, that love, you can find love anywhere. That one about luck. That one is try your luck. Distance relationship not the way that they tell person to do. I don't advise people to do distance relationship. You're there Nigeria now. Some people there Nigeria, they'll go they get love for Nigeria. They'll there Europe, they'll go they fall in love for Nigeria. Or if you know say that place not be where you go they go every month. Not even put body. Anything wey go make person dey hold pillow, dey cry, sleep till they break. I don't get that time. You be like, say, okay, when I'm ready now, it's okay. I want deal with man. Then I'll come go, they follow you, they do video call. They do hello. Babe, you don't bath. Make I see you. Turn your back. Turn your front. I don't get it. Now the hungry they do this type of relationship. No, except say maybe you first know the person before you travel. My let's say Nigeria is so far, okay. Because some people they do one. Except say you first know the person before you travel, go anywhere where you dey. That one is understanding. Say you can't go stay hook up. Una they see them now. They also dey Italy, they'll say they find hook up. Where if you need man, they'll say they need man for California, for America. You when you dey find man now for California, who maybe if not be feed the money where you dey find. Because you know they really find relationship. Why you go there Italy, they find man for California? We're not where maybe. Eh? Okay, before the man now go feed you. Come they find money to process paper. I go get ticket. So if you want your come visit your guy, I can budget like 1,000 your ticket. Rule down my milk there. I know they do that one. Relationship what they do. If you go too far, at least you are like fast train. Maybe 3 hours. I feel manage sit down for train 3 hours. If now where the feet drive go, okay, no problem. I feel go. Say all this it cross. I say I fair know you before you travel. May when a longer period relationship. I know they if it's too long, I know they do. I know they fix. I know go fit keep am because me. You get when me sit they me they jealous way. Now what small thing you do our bloody. I know they try am. Una they get me. This Ekbuesis, where they Jamie now, she don't born 6 children. Now she they look for single responsible men of Edo State, Edo men, for all over the Europe, Canada, America, UK. She says she go carry. Ogbaloma no do blolele kokomo for your mind. You sharp. Now Igbo man use you dump. See why? I they give you this advice. I know say nobody go give you this advice for this full Facebook. You don't pass the stage where they select. You they get me so. You don't pass the stage where they select. You now you supposed to be anywhere benefits. And your own type of woman will be say, ma go dodge you, follow backyard, enter house. He go knock you. Then he go still dodge you, follow that backyard, come outside. He no go want me, no, a neighbor no say you did. He no go want me, friends no say you did. He no go want anybody no say you did. A book only way, where he need choice and who will taste. No be say you come out now telephone say before you come more life not be shame where not there you are. Shame the way you dey for them men not there the streets. Men not there, gay black boys no food Germany there. Unime when you gba wene. Iyan gba wene. Where you take say you too useless. As small as you are, as you did, so wait till you know it pass you. Head down no muri agbon to ye lelele. Or to no more la we bo mani bonnet tomorrow. Umari bonnet tomorrow. Hero kelu money you only live for our own peace of mind. When it wake back bon who we agbon we. Abamo vo you want kado ashe koni san rere ni mi ro pa ise. Any man where you see go put hand for your matter and wa be ya gbo be de kun you that man he no gets. He say person wey no sabi speak common broken English. Oh, any man wey carry you now before 2-3 months he go leave you. Yes, they can wa kwa message you wa na we go. O mesis uwa asili yanji nuwa na we go nekwene mue ya gbuzela wanu giekwe amuwe elajan do afiego ni san oni 600 na bada wan ebun we afiege no ni san senia me wole come chop clean mat and go. No man will take you serious. Is the truth. The one where you born for Nigeria, he leave you. You born at the age of 12 years. The man leave you. He abandon you. You go see con Germany, you see somebody say wala deo. Yes, so happy Sarah. My darling. You can't still come jam me. You can't jam me, but after you don't do ashawo. You don't do serious ashawo. You can't still see Igboma along the ashawo road. You can't begin start to the born for Igboma. Now you born 5 children. Igboma leave you. Igboma leave you. Make sure say you not put that man for prison because I know you. I know what you fit do. You are the most useless of all women. Why I don't see, but you go feel say now you dey on top of the world. I hope say you never put that man for prison. Because if you put that man for prison, you won't be on your hand talk boy. That means your predicament will be worse than this way, just the so. Because you have no reason to put that man in prison. 1, you don't have manner of approach. 2, you don't know when to speak and when to keep short. 3, you don't have anything upstairs. Your head empty. Your head empty. And you are so mannerless. Women respect. 1 single half quarter respect, you no get. You no get. If person open mouth, they talk. Now you tell me, say, hey, the way you they talk anyhow. Any small rat like you will see, say, 2 women they talk. Or why the precious make the weather on a rovioni. Again, don't you ya mwe besang be. Again, don't you ya mwe besang be. Or one mwe lady precious make the weather on a rovioni wa we are only ya service zeviku. Mononi show, edioni my dress say, edioni wenokpa, edioni wonona, edioni I just the look and say he. Percy where you call your friend, oh, not be so na fair the quarrel. No be so na fair be enemy, una not they play, oh. This one una they play. Una they talk. The party where the person go, now your godfather own. You be like as I did na kurita will do party now people go. Then me will call the saga people where go. Is that no sign of jealousy? Ona chebone precious make no one. Soon. He can't even they cause Lady Precious make single mother. Ari do one your talk bed on your mwe bogbe. Ari don't your mwe bogbe, my people. Now she's not a single mom of 6. Single mom of 6. Beauty without brain. No brain. Nothing to offer. Even if you tell her, say, okay, just talk about speech for where she no get. She no feel handle speech for 10 seconds. Both good English, oh, bad English, oh, pidgin English, oh, bini, oh, eve magba unwe. To e si wa no zuwa wagun. O ila jare gani. You with Obiageli, now Obiageli are going to call those liquidated women. I mean, lovely video. Those are Obiagelis. Obiageli, any Obiageli, whenever a single mother of 6 by stupidity. If you still look Obiageli, then they want some other person, go and marry. You look there, they know there's mass. Iyamami no there, they don't even get boyfriend. They don't get anything. It get where woman go even mature, reach your life. Like any food where you they shop, you they show and say, okay, now this man they shop, now this thing they shop, now this food that they shop. Our Biagili, they never even they know they try. Because they get sign of crazy people. So nobody want to mingle with crazy women. That's Obiagili. Our Biagili in my social media. Then see why. Look at you. Do you think social media is all about only your platform is sorting people? That is why when I do my video, and if I do my video, forget say people fit us sometimes say, Queen, you are crazy. This Queen, I don't like Queen. I like some people like me, some don't like me. Everybody must not like you. If everybody like you for this life, there's something is wrong with you. Everybody must not like you. As me, they so. If, as I tell they do my videos, people know, say, they always stand for the truth. Yes. If I see 2 people, they fight, that they oppress themselves. and I come in as a third party, and I tell you, say, these two people, they quarrel. You, this person, now you wrong. See what you do, see what you do. See how you offend this person, see how you offend this person. Does that make me a bad person? No. That is why no weapon formed against me, they know they succeed. And secondly, if I get quarrel with person, yeah, and I know they take on, even when I'm a contract, I know they carry people matter, go they put for person hand. You feel see me quarrel with person today, tomorrow I'll they eat with that person. But if I know, say, this person, he said, Queen, me no like you, I don't block, not me tell they come. When I you marry. You where they use me come, forget, we know who like me as I did. So even though person they saga me today, I know who like me genuinely on this media. You see this Facebook as a big result. I know people where like me genuinely. I know people where don't like me. I know people where they fake follow me. I know people where they pretend follow me. That is why I'm so difficult to convince. You know fit on my brain. You know get you want to, you know fit on my brain. Because if I sleep at the cities, and a mani leruni me or boost a manity ebony me. So why will I be stressing myself? That is why I know they take social media. You see me, if I have the social media talk, if I off this platform now, I'll go take cold shower. I they go my appointments. Now not say yesterday I also go appointment. Today I go also go. Why? Because now summer we there. So once I come I get appointment, I'll go do a bow hair. Yes, if I were yadi or dry room, if I open my bag now, I'll see and say, una baby girl or coco Kevin, so imagine. Winter now we take the shop the money because winter we know the work not the day like that. So now the one we will still save you are pay be where is more better than jumping from one man to another. It's more better than that is why I know they do competition. I'm not anybody say I too get what I get. No. But I know that in my own zone, I'm comfortable. I do a lot of things, business, hell, anything where they bring money, I always they involved. So if God they give me everything when I want, they bless me. Why upon they follow say because me a person quarrel for social media and I can't say this person he do me so like this. No, even if you offend me, if you do what it good, I will still tell you say this is the way you do so now good thing. If you do what it bad, I will still tell you say this is the way you do so now bad thing. Or when you're down the one in my camera, I'll wait it baby. I'll wait it baby. Una they get me. Things where me don't see for this media, like though some are experienced. People like this in take care no who putting pressure on me. Go and marry. Go and do this one. Go and do this. Today now market. How market since you're not the phone weapon and take care of 6 children. Me where should they mock that time they laugh. Me why kore me can't return. Any food don't give me I cook it. Anywhere for I know they lack. If I need for immediately I they get them. If I need more, not worry. I get surprised they come for now. Small sign I'll pull out my ride. By God grace, not be say maths. I'll pull out my ride and I'll say, hey, say Queen, yes. If I not there on media, I'm working on myself. I don't want to end up with a bag of liquidated women. Or nothing to offer. Yet or yet, nothing to offer. I have made congratulations with Joshua here. I have made anything because what they don't feel work on themselves. They feel say you where they look them now you be their problem and everything. When me say man social media na me be meta. No people say we saga every day. Now you take man no. Even though people they do saga, even if you like they do saga every day, they go through all platform. Their platform I know if I reach, I will collect sense here. You feel no say I just they watch you. Say congratulations, my lord. Or may say when say where your blog, where mudzia, you patient now. Or may say no caster. Lao where caster, lao. You understand? If you reach more, not worry now. I'll carry come everybody go. When I go sing, I go they play, go they show. That time people go see no say, not be to the daylight video they look. Grow. Follow people where they grow. Follow who they grow. Follow who they grow. Not be say follow who they do saga, the saga. Follow the saga. Where was saga? Me, if I true for my saga, I have a lot of things to put my time. I work with time. Only me where they have a big, if I still get to a bow and want to anyway, they they play. I don't want saga there are people on this media that they do saga, but they get good mind. Yes. I know people will be say yes. If you tell me say queen, can't people will be say they do saga, but they get good mind. I will count them for you. Forget say maybe some things gonna happen. Say even if me and son they quarrel, I know roles where they fit play. I know what they will fit do. I know the kind of mind where they get. Now they get me. So if you dare social media, some people now go just see. I know say a lot of women where don't come up for husband house like CY now. They feel they shame to come outside when they find husband.